Hi Dylan, how are you this morning?
Doing very well, thank you.
Awesome, thanks for being here with us. Can you share a little bit about what your life was like before you came here?
So before coming to this retreat, it was, I guess, very stagnant. I was very locked in a pattern of what society back home kind of told me to be like. Typical male role model, hide your feelings, bury the emotions, be the strong influence, go get the money type thing. It was a very unhappy lifestyle. It still provided, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for when it came to being ultimately happy inside.
And what does life look like for you today?
Today I have a whole new outlook. So much healing has been done for me internally and emotionally. My head space is very cleared now. Just a much more peaceful, everlasting joy that I can kind of create for myself, which was ultimately the greatest gift I was able to receive from coming here. I was really happy about that.
It's amazing. What's the first thing you're going to do when you get back home?
When I get back home, I'm definitely going to hug my family, my daughter especially. I guess a lot of them. Kind of just get back into the swing of different time zone, different atmosphere, different temperature as well, since it's a lot colder back home. But then I'm definitely going to kind of, without telling them every detail of what we experienced here today, show them the change that I've experienced just by being a new person that I've become, kind of being reborn. I really want to show them exactly what I was able to learn and how I was able to change for the better.
Would you recommend the Behold Retreat to others?
I would 100% recommend the Behold Retreat to others. If you're on the edge of it at all, if you're ever thinking about bettering your life with nutrition, with lifestyle changes, with even just certain fitness things, definitely 100% would recommend coming here. The atmosphere is amazing, the people are amazing, everything that they're doing here is 100% amazing, and it will 100% give you such a better outlook and mentality going forward, and ultimately give you the tools to better yourself, which is kind of what they teach here ultimately.
You're amazing. So happy to meet you.
Thank you, too.